In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload short video on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and if you are on a mobile, just open up YouTube app. Then log into your YouTube account, and after that you will be able to hit at that plus sign, then select create a short, and then you can record a short video using your device's camera, or you can tap at that icon to upload video from your camera roll. Just select a video, and that will open up that editor where you can trim this video from the start and from the end, and then hit at done to move on to the next step. On the next step you will be able to continue creating your shorts, so then you can record video or upload new one, and then you will be able to use all that tools. Once you've done with that, hit at that check mark icon, and then you will be able to add some sound, some text, voiceover, some filters to that video. Also, you can hit at timeline, and that will show you all your different effects like sounds, text, and all that stuff. And then to continue, hit at next. On that step you will be able to add a title for your short. Just tap where it says caption your short, and then type in here some text. Then you can also change visibility. By default it is set to private. You can set it to public or unlisted, or even you can schedule that short. You can hit at that arrow down icon, and then you can schedule this short to any date and time, just like that. Also, you can add location, select audience if it's made for kids or not. Also, you can add age restriction here. Then you can also add the paid promotion label and select comments privacy in that way. Then, in order to upload a short to YouTube, just hit at upload short. Just like that. If you want to upload short video from PC, just open up any web browser, then go to youtube.com and then sign into your YouTube account. After that, you will be able to click at that camera icon, select upload video, and on the next step you can tap at that button which says select files, or you can open up any folder with your YouTube video, and then you can just drag it to that window. Then you will be able to change title, description, and all that other stuff you usually change while uploading YouTube videos. The only thing that you have to do is mark that video as short. To do that, you need to add that shorts hashtag whether to your title or to your description. Without that hashtag, your video may not be marked as short. After that, you can also scroll down and make all these settings, like you can add this video to a playlist, or you can write down some hashtags in that way, and then to continue, hit at next. Then you will be able to add end screens or add cards to that video, then hit at next, then next again. On that step, select privacy for that video. You can set it to private, unlisted, public, or you can schedule it in the same way. Just select date and time, then hit add schedule, or if you want to publish it right now, select public and then hit add publish. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.